This is an overview of the Select an Attribute Table widget. The Select widget allows you to select an area and interrogate the information based on the selected layers. The data in the selected layers will be passed on to the Attribute Table widget. Start by clicking on the Select widget. Then choose the layer or layers you want by clicking the relevant boxes. You can also make all layers selectable or deselectable via the button in the right-hand corner. Once you've selected your layers, click on the Select drop-down arrow, allowing you to select by point, rectangle, polygon, circle, or lasso. Drag the pointer onto the map to create your selection. Which will be highlighted in blue. The number of selected features will display next to the layer. Features are capped at 1,000 per layer. If your selection is greater than 1,000, a warning message and the layer name where this occurs will be displayed in red. This can be overcome by reducing the area you've selected. To display the attribute table, click on the ellipsis next to the layer of interest. This will open the Selection Action drop-down menu. Click on View in Attribute Table to display a tabular view of the operational layer attributes at the bottom of the screen. You can open several attribute tables at once. These will be displayed in separate tabs at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to switch among attribute tables. All rows are selected by default when the attribute table opens, but you can change the selection by clicking to the far left. If you wish to select individual lines, simply hold down the Control button. Alternatively, you can select multiple lines by holding down the Shift key and clicking in the far left, which will then highlight all lines between the two. To download the attribute table, click on the Options downward arrow, which will allow you to select Show or Hide Columns or export selected to CSV. Press OK on the confirmation box and click in the CSV in the bottom left-hand corner. This will then open in Excel. This export feature is not available on Apple mobile devices. To remove the highlighted features on the map, click on the Clear button in the Select widget. This concludes the overview of Select an Attribute Table widget.